That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine, like we could be fine.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's review.
And watch your self-respect just disappear overnight.
Today we have a new sponsor to talk about. Let's turn up together because this sponsor deserves a round of applause. Let's give a warm welcome to Viya Hair. This is actually a first. I've never heard of this company until now. Where have they been, or where have I been? Because this wig is a bomb.com. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x6 big body frontal HD lace 180% density frontal wig. This is in the loose deep wave texture.
Everything but can't decide. It's a low thing goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight.
Look at this parting space. Don't play with them, okay? Like, do not play with them. Wow. We are gonna glue this down. If you spray it and press it back, it's gonna be so much easier to install. So I'm glad I did that because I don't have this wig on straight. Whoa, 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 whoa. See? Good thing I did that because that's how it's supposed to be. It's gonna be much easier to work with it like this compared to in your face, right? We're gonna work in sections today. This is how much lace I'm going to cut off. We're gonna cut that off. I'm gonna take my scissors. I want it to look like that. This much removed. We're gonna go in with the bold hold. Gonna work from the center out, and I'm gonna do thin sections. As soon as you put that glue, you want to spread it out.
So I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we
This is the section I'm doing first. When I get to the side, I like to use like more glue.
Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never.
We are looking good. I am gonna get some melt spray. This is lace melt spray. So the reason we put the spray on top of the glue, if you guys don't know, is to blend the two. It's going to take away any of those like white casty looking spots, and it's also going to just like melt any spot that we might have forgotten. HD lace. If you are an updo babe and you love doing updos, this wig is for you because you can do really high half up styles. Some wax stick.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar.
And I'm gonna go in with some Eco Style gel.
See Lotus, I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No,
I'm going for a really high ponytail.
entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way.
We're gonna curl this hair, and then I'm gonna curl a bunch of it and then come back.
All the way down, I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way, I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it to you tense, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to
I'm gonna go in with my Bio Silk. Before I comb through the curls 100%, I'm gonna just put it like that. Now we're gonna comb through it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. There we have it, y'all. This is the final look. So pretty. I did some things to this wig, but really, when you get this wig out of the box, you're gonna be blown away at the amount of lace space. The lace space is like 2 hands deep. Like, I've never seen a wig with that much lace space. Most of the wig is lace, let's just say that. You can do any hairstyle, you can do any updos. I styled this wig with a no baby hair look, just the sideburns, because that HD lace is HDing, okay? Like, this HD lace did not come to play. Why ruin it with baby hairs if it doesn't need it? But the hair quality is beautiful on this wig. It's just giving gorgeous. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just perfect. Super soft. Is definitely in its styled length, so not stretch length, which we love to see. It's holding a beautiful curl. I didn't put any hairspray throughout this portion of the wig, and it's holding. Like, I've combed through the curls and it just goes back into place. Like, do you see that? That's what you want for a curly wig. Loose, deep wave. Okay, baby, don't play with them. Viya Hair, you did your thing, girl. Oh my God. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to run over there, fly over there if you can, if you need to swim over there. Do whatever you got to do to get over there because you need this wig. Check them out, guys. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Go buy this right now. Bye.